name is Arpit Kumar. I am student of class 2 in Viswavati Global School. I am leader of this group. I am telling about our skull. Our skull is upper part of our body. They protect our brain because our brain is very soft and our skull is very hard part of our body. The skull is composed of 4 types of bone. Thank you, and Aditya, please comment.
My name is Aditya Kumar. I am reading class 2. My school name is Viswavati Global. I am designer of this skull. And hello friends, my